All right, so before I forget to film this, this is just before I go drop off my car to go get it tuned and full bolt on. I bought this. This is a Nismo steering wheel for my GTR. I'm so excited to put this on. I can't wait. I'm gonna get my boy to go do it for me because I don't want to ruin anything. So yeah, Nismo steering wheel should be on when I go pick up the car, hopefully. I think I made a mistake. I think I made a slight mistake. All right, so I got the car back. I did. I got the car back. It's here. I got it back. Oof. So I picked up the car like 2 days ago. I didn't record me picking up because I didn't want to shove a camera into my mechanic's face, and I just felt awkward asking for that. So I just picked it up and drove it home. Boy, this bitch is loud. This thing is loud. It's loud and it's fast, but also it's loud. Did I mention it's loud? Oh man, I can't believe I'm saying this. I can only run pump gas here. I don't have E85. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So yeah, I can't run E85. I only have pump gas and it smells. That's one of the biggest concerns I have right now. It's loud. Before I start it, I'm gonna install my diffuser. The light came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I start it, but it's loud. I may have made a mistake. Maybe. I need to take apart the interior. I kinda already did. I kinda got a head start on it. I got the JDM light that goes at the very bottom here, and I wired it up so I have an F1 strobe and T-taps. So I'm gonna go tap into the light and fingers crossed it works. That was hard. Oh, I'm sweating, low key. I got it wired up. Let's go test it. Every time I hit the brakes, I see it flashing. I hope my turn signals work too. Yeah, my turn signals do work too. Sick. Sick. Okay. It works. Time to go figure out a way to mount it in the bottom. All right, wish me luck for that. Now, moment of truth. I gotta back this thing out of the garage to get my diffuser on, the JDM diffuser. And here's the thing, this is gonna be loud. Are you ready for a Catless GTR cold start? It's really loud, guys, like, no joke. It's, I don't, so here's the thing, it's loud, and I feel really bad for my neighbors. I can smell the Catless from here. That was so loud. Oh my God. Let's go get that diffuser on. Yeah. It's done. It's been about, I want to say like 4 days since I got it done. I realized I didn't film anything because it was so hard to do. Like taking off all of these bolts that hold this on, getting the wire through the actual trunk to the light. There's actually a bad ground I had to deal with. I had to figure that out, but other than that, it works perfectly. I'm so happy. I love it. Look at it. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh, it just looks so good. Like I said, I have a bunch of parts that came in the mail. First up, cabin air filter. I don't think it's ever been changed on the car. might as well do it because I have something that goes well with this. Let's go get that installed. I'm so sorry, neighbors. I have another cold start coming, but gotta do what you gotta do. Totally forgot to show this, but peep that brand new steering wheel. Oh, it looks so good on the car. Oh man, yeah, it's so nice. All right, first thing is first, let me change that cabin air filter. Come on. Honestly, it's not bad. Ugh, what the frig is that thing? All right, time for a new one. Ugh. Sorry about the shaky filming, y'all. There you go. Cabin air filter in. I think this holds it up, I think. Yeah, there you go. Done. Those downshifts sound so good. That was ear-piercingly loud. What have I done? Oh no, that thing is stupid loud. I'm contemplating lift right now, in case you haven't noticed. Because why does a car need to be that loud? Honest review. All right, so I've driven it for about a week now. Car's great. I love it. It's stupid loud if I'm like wide open throttle, which I'm not doing very often either. The smell, I don't know if I can take it because I don't have E85 here. It just smells like I'm freaking, I took a bath in gas. That's the only downside of this. I might have to do something with the smell. I feel like I'm a dog driving this car because I'm just, what's that smell? Oh, there's nowhere to go. Is it loud? Thank you, thank you. Those downshifts sound ridiculous. All right, let's get some gas. All right, thank you for watching another video. I appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. What do you want to see done to the GTR? I'm curious. Please don't say wide body. I need wheels. I know I need wheels. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.